Old Rajkot is where the past still whispers in every wall, every turn, and every plate of street food. Why recommend this walk? Classical building heritage spots, Jubilee Garden, Watson Museum, and colonial-era buildings perfect for history buffs and architecture lovers. Local bazaars, Bangdi Bazaar and Soni Bazaar, packed with silver jewelry, fabrics and snacks, a shopper's paradise with unbeatable local vibes. Street food corners, ghugra, poha, kachori, gathia, served hot and fresh, authentic taste in every bite. Photo-worthy streets, bright doorways, rustic textures, temple bells ringing in the background, Instagrammable every few steps. Perfect for solo travelers, culture seekers, and anyone who wants to feel the real Rajkot. Exploring Old Rajkot isn't just a walk, it's a journey through time.